So you guys, as you have seen in the short clips, we are going camping. So camping is something that I've recently just got into. A friend of mine invited me to go camping one time. At that time, we were just renting out tents, and we enjoyed it so much that we started getting into it and started purchasing all our camping gear. After that, we just started going on and on. The second time, I actually tried to document it, but the thing is, in the process of pitching the tent, there was a storm, and we were pitching it under the rain, and that very night, after pitching the tent, I started getting sick.
I'm so sorry. We were able to set up our tent. We got rained on, so I think I have a fever.
There was no way for me to start taking videos and documenting that anymore, so that was that. And then the third time, I recorded the videos on slow-mo, so there was nothing that I could possibly use. Well, there were, but it's not enough for me to put together and turn into like some sort of clip. So here we go for the fourth time in a row, and I think this time I actually made it. So I'm trying to edit it as fast as I can and as early as I can, because chances are I'm not even gonna edit it anymore. I know myself. I'll get lazy if the excitement's gone. So here we go in documenting it.
Let's go! We're just making a stopover. Ay nako, you guys are so naughty. We're making a stopover at Mang Inasar. We came here last time and it was so good. I was thinking of getting this so that we don't have to cook anything, because we have to pitch around 3 things today. Because we're gonna be super tired for sure after we pitch all those things and then bring down all the things at the back. That's what I learned the last few times we went camping. More street snacks. This is the 4th time, and it's still gonna rain on us. Sheesh! Oh my God, ang tulig!
Uy, ate.
May pa tayo, ma'am?
Kuya, kaya ba nito yan?
Kaya pa yan, ma'am.
So happy, child. Here we go again. Oh my God, but it's so muddy. Oh my God, please don't rain. Hey, we have to set up our tent. That's our awning. We have an awning like that. It's gonna be so muddy. Sheesh! Okay, relax. It's supposed to be relaxing, but I'm stressing over their dirt. Okay, they're done. Our turn. So for those who think that the ones who are vlogging those camping things, that it's so glamorous and they're not sweaty and stuff, nope, that's not real. They have a crew behind that, I'm sure. Because we're gonna pitch ours now. Hi, Floofs! They went poopsie and everything already. Now it's our turn. I'm gonna pitch our tent now.
we just kind of finished setting up inside. It's still a mess, but we're getting there. So that white stuff is this. Let me show you. I saw it from one of the campers. So this is food grade and safe for plants, animals, for consumption and everything. So it's fine. There. So we spray it before we put the mat. Okay, see? Look at this. Tired. Look. It's not glamorous. Those who post as if they never got tired, those are fake. But the view is stunning. I love this place. This is my favorite camping place we've been to so far. Look at that view. The dogs are inside. Okay, let's do this. Last tent. That's our whole setup. So we just finished. Let me show you the whole setup. Ta-da! From this view, can't wait to see the sunrise tomorrow. And then this is our whole fiasco. I'll show you later also when we turn on the lights because I surrounded it with these. See, I pinned fairy lights, and I got these solar powered lights for the pegs to prevent people from tripping, aka me, because the last time I was the one who tripped. And that's our tent. So the powder that you see here is food grade, meaning it's biodegradable and it can be used as what do you call it, fertilizer. I put that to prevent insects. It's not gonna completely eradicate the insects, but it'll help. So there. And then this is our awning. So I got one, this one's mine, and then that one's Hazel. And then we both shared the connector. That way it makes it bigger. This is her setup. Let's go inside. Hello! So nice! This is a mess, but this is so much nicer than before. Whew. Good morning from the campsite. I forgot to turn on active, so I'm shooting it again. It's so cold. The dogs are here. And check it out. There's a sea of clouds. I'm gonna fly the drone. I'll step out and then I'll fly the drone. Let's go. getting hot. Our weird breakfast. There's egg there. Nobody brought oil, so we can't fry the egg. The dogs are there. It's kind of hot. I'll give them another snack later, but they ate breakfast already. It's amazing view. We've been hanging out here, but I'm thinking of getting the dogs because it's kind of hot there. I'm drying my towel because I'm going to shower again later. Sheesh. Sheesh. Hi, you guys. Hi, Floofies. Hi, Floofies. Ha? Oh. Kunin ko lang yung sapin. Hi, Floofies. Hi, Floofies. Winter! Winter! Leave that. What are you doing? Come on. Win. Winnie. Winnie Pooh. Where are you going? We're not gonna go in there. Up here. Hi, Floof. Lie down. Stay there. If they get too rowdy, I'm just gonna... There. Here. No. What? See, I'm gonna put my feet. Oh! You are something else, you know that? It's so amazing. I did not know you can do this. So that's your power bank. Wait. I can put this here, right? Just a little while. Just for a little while. This is a friggin' freezer. Look, there's ice. And this is the chiller part. Sheesh! Magkano to? Damn! And you call yourself Kuripot? Okay, I'm gonna throw the trash. I don't want to get it too full before getting rid of them. The dogs are gonna join me. This is the other campsite that we were choosing from. I think this would have been a nice spot too. But the thing is, there are no trees, so I thought it would be hotter. And plus I wanted the view more than the flat land. I wanted the grass, to be honest. So this would have been perfect because the dogs would be enjoying it. But see how the dogs are closer too. So there. Winter! Throw the trash. Win! Come on! We won't be camping unless it's gonna rain. This is the 4th camping trip and it's still gonna rain on us. So we're gonna reinforce our tent first. Winter's inside already. I cleaned her up. The other 2 are easy to clean. So reinforce the tent first because the rain is coming. Everything should be ready before this starts pouring. I'm scared. Okay, that should do it. The dogs, this should be it. Fine. We're just getting rid of the things that might get wet. getting so foggy.
Hi, ate.
Look, we can't even see anything anymore. Oh, it's so foggy. Sheesh. It's gonna be so cold tonight. I know most people will get turned off by, you know, the rain and stuff, but besides the part where I worry about cleanup, I absolutely love the rain. Actually, I wasn't sure if it was really gonna rain, but I kind of just thought that, you know, I would regret not preparing the dogs in advance before it rains. Surely enough, it rained quite hard, and it's gonna be one messy cleanup tomorrow. The thunder was scary more than the rain. I should take more pictures. I should have taken more pictures yesterday. It was dry, but I was too tired from like pitching everything. There's the other tent. Awning. Yes. And then they're here. And yeah.
Hi. Were you scared earlier? You were so good. You were so good, huh?
Last night, this one added space, took up space, whatever. I should be okay. Survive the night. Okay. See you tomorrow. You're so crazy. You're so crazy. Oh my god. Look at that. I should have taken photos yesterday. It's foggy, you can't see anything. Where's the other one? This is gonna be one tiring cleanup because it's wet. Oh man. We're now starting to clean up. Check out this fog. You used to see the clear mountains there. This is what's hard about cleanup when it's muddy. Cleaning up. Look at that mud. You see my slippers? That's insane. That's why I can't even take videos. I mean, I can, but the cleanup's already a nightmare. If I'm still gonna add to it, I don't think that's such a good idea anymore. So, you see how unglamorous this is? Whew. I don't know what they're up to. We're almost done. Dogs are inside. See this mess? Oh, I know what I need to buy for the next few camping trips. We just finished! Oh my god! Look at how compact our packing is. Sorry, it's breaking. There. These are all our stuff. So I don't like being too messy, but the thing is, it was so muddy. But before I leave the shower, make sure to try to, at the very least, wash it a little bit so that the next few campers will not be disgusted, because they provided this room anyway. Please guys, when you're campers, clean up, because the next few campers are so grossed out. I can't video, but okay, it's not as clean as I can possibly clean it, but at least it's not disgusting, because I'm sorry, it's really muddy outside. See,
So even if I clean this up, when I walk, it gets dirty. But at the very least, not like this. Cleaning up over there. We're good to go. The dogs are ready. The car is ready. Haze! Una na kami! Thank you! I'm so scared! Let's do this.
Go Innova.